是大袋的部分就是拿去下面，问题是你吸出来之后，它会开袋，上面会打开。
This automatic stand-up pouch packaging machine is designed for powder products. Pouches are picked up and opened by a suction system, providing a stable start for every cycle. After accurate filling, an air-blowing system removes residual powder at the pouch opening, preventing sealing contamination. The pouches are then sequentially pushed forward by a mechanical pusher, which controls the transfer spacing and feeding rhythm, ensuring smooth handoff to the heat sealing station. Finally, a clean, strong, and consistent seal is formed. From pouch handling and filling to forward feeding and sealing, every step is engineered for stable output and reliable packaging quality.